Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing mixed on Tuesday. Shares in energy, food, beverage, and tobacco and healthcare equipment and services, they ended on a negative note, while shares in retailing, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment and consumer durables and apparel gained momentum. On the economic front, housing starts rose 3.2% month over month to 1.256 million units in November, and building permits jumped 5% to 1.328 million in November. This all while advancers ahead of decliners, 47% of SP 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, FedEx reporting second quarter adjusted EPS of $4.03 versus $3.18 a year ago on revenue of $17.8 billion. Net income on an adjusted basis advancing by 24.7% year over year, $1.08 billion. Lockheed Martin said it has secured a $585 million contract from the Missile Defense Agency to deliver its Homeland Defense radar. Meanwhile, turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down 0.6%. The Hang Seng up 0.2%. China CSI 300 down 1.19%. And South Korea's Kospi up 0.81%. European markets posting a rebound and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. Now, there's no major expectations today in terms of earnings. So on the economic docket, 8:30 in the morning, we have the current account balance. 10 o'clock in the morning, November existing home sales figures. And this afternoon, we have the FOMC rate decision. Now, taking a look at the markets, the S&P 500 sees its key resistance, 2577, and that's in focus. The upward potential is likely to be limited by the resistance at 2577. Short positions below 2577 are favored, with targets at 2530 and 2511 in extension. The Nasdaq sees its target 6422, while the Dow Jones capped by a negative trend line.